Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video, I just wanted to run down all of the bags that I acquired for the year of 2024. Anyway guys, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into everything that's new in my collection related to bag for 2024. Okay everybody, so I did do a video like this early in the month. I think it was like either June, July, in the middle of the month, of all of the bags that I had acquired at that time. I did add some more other pieces to it. So these are all of my 2024 purchases as far as I know, and I'm gonna do two other honorable mention that are on the contemporary side, but these are all the luxury ones. Okay, so without further ado, I'm not going to go by when I purchased them because I really don't know when I purchased them, but let's start with this. So this one, I've done a lot of videos about this. This is my my Jacquemus Le Petito. Is it Le Petit? Not Le Petito. I'm sorry. Jacquemus Le Carré Run something bag. I'll put it on the screen. Love this bag. I haven't used it yet, but I think it's just one of those really fun novelty piece bag, and I just think it's really beautiful. So let's put that down. Now let's go into what's on the table, and then I got some other stuff on the floor as well. So I did pick up this beauty right here. So this one is my Louis Vuitton papillon trunk tennis match collection. Love this bag. I've done a lot of review about this bag, so if you guys have any question, I've done what fit, everything about this bag. You can see it on my video channel. Love this bag. I think it's such a cute novelty piece. It's very functional, not like my other pieces. This is very functional, and I love this bag. Now let's go to the other one. So this one is my Petite Malle Louis Vuitton. I'm not going in order of brand or anything like that. I'm just telling you guys a quick so you guys can see. So this is my Louis Vuitton Petite Malle. This is the older version with the skinnier silhouette. Love this bag. I think this bag is so beautiful. I've talked about this bag many times on my channel as well. This is what Louis Vuitton is known for, the trunk style. They have the newer version, which is a little bit more thicker. This does come with a crossbody strap and a shoulder strap. Love this bag. So easy to use, so functional. I need to add another one to my collection. Now let's go. You guys know I've talked so much about this bag. So this is my Chanel 19 in the goat skin, small medium size. Love this bag. This bag is so functional. It does everything you need it to do. As you can see, I have a receipt in there. I just recently used it. I try to use this bag as often as I can when it goes with my outfits. It's so easy to pick up and go, and it just gives you all of the different ways. I can wear a crossbody, shoulder, top handle, it doesn't matter. All of it just flows so good together, and I just think this is one of the most beautiful bag that Chanel has made, so in my opinion. So this is the Chanel 19. My next bag, which I haven't even used yet, I was planning on using it this summer and then I didn't use it. So this one is my Fendi graphic. As you can see, the stuff is still, the stickers is still on the Fendi part. Love this bag. I love the whole what this bag concept is meant for. It could be very low luxury, no luxury, whatever, quiet luxury, or it could be in your face luxury. So I love everything about this bag. This bag is just so beautiful. It's so, I love the color. The color is what drew me about this bag, and I love also the design aspect of it. So that's why it is in my collection. Now let's go to the next one. So this one I actually have two Fendi baguette. Before 2024 started, I didn't have any Fendi baguette. In 2024, I got two Fendi baguette. The very first Fendi baguette that I did picked up was this beauty right here. So this is my Fendi baguette. This one, as you can see, is the older style because the handle is not as like in your the handle is not that wide it's not that tall compared to this. Love this bag. Love everything about this bag. Got this bag. Love this so much that I decided to get another one. So this, I have an organizer. One thing about me, if you notice about my channel, I love organizers. I love, if I can find a way to get an organizer in my bag, I will. I just think it protects the bag. And this one was very slouchy when I got it, so the organizer has definitely helped. And I also have what is it called, a bag shaper as well, because this can be such a beautiful slouch. Love, 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 love everything about what the Fendi baguette stands for. Now let's go to the next one. I'm trying to put them away as I talk about them because there's some more on the floor. I have this beauty right here. So this one is the green one. This one I picked it up from Fashion File. The other one I think I picked it up from Vestiaire Collective, and I love this bag. Like I said, I didn't have a Fendi baguette in my collection. Summertime, I mean 2024 rolled in, and I end up getting two. Everything about this bag is just beautiful. It's well made. I love the fact that it's the leather and it's embossed, so like, yeah, it's in your face, but it's really not in your face because all of the colors are the same. So you really, you know or whatever, but it's not like a different color for the FF and things like that. Everything is in the same colorway. So I love this bag. Now let's go, as I'm clearing the table up. So this one is my Lanvin, the pencil cap bag. Love this bag. Love this bag. I picked this bag over the summertime, and I haven't really used it yet. I need to find a place to use it. But now one thing I've noticed about myself, I use my bag even if I'm going shopping. I don't think it needs a special occasion because you will never wear your bag. But this bag is just so beautiful. Everything about this bag is just perfect. Like I know I wanted this bag when I saw it. I don't know whose channel it was. When I did my unboxing, I said it, and I've done a lot of different videos about this bag. But when I saw this bag, I knew it had to be part of my collection. It's just so, it's like an art piece, and I think that's what makes this bag so special. I love everything about this bag. I love the mother and child symbol. Love. I know I want to add another one, but I don't know if I want to add the hobo style one, if I want another pencil one. But I feel like I want to add another one of this bag to my collection. Love. And then let's go. So I did pick up, I'm bringing the rest of the other bags that were on the floor because I have some other pieces over here. Okay. Alrighty guys, so let's continue the bag. So I have this one right here. So this is my Fendi first in this beautiful Tiffany blue collection. I think it's so beautiful. I love this bag. I did end up, it does come with the strap. I haven't used it yet. It still have the rare tag. I did pick this up from the rare. I think this is my very first rare purchase, and I did pick this chain up from Amazon. This bag, I think it's so stinky beautiful. I am going to wear it. I just need to find a time to, like, a place to wear it and everything. It does have a little scuff right here, which I really don't mind it. But beside that, the bag is in just great condition, and I just think it's beautiful. I want to add another Fendi first to my collection. I did hear that they're going to be going away with the Fendi first, so I want to add another color, but I don't know what colorway yet I want to add of this bag. I think this bag is just a work of art, so I definitely want to add another color of this bag to my collection before the price go up, because you know how it goes when they discontinue something, then that's when everybody wants it. So I want to definitely add another colorway of this bag to my collection. Okay, so the next one is this beauty right here. So this is my YSL Lulu bag in the size small. I picked this up from Fashion File the same time that I picked up my green Fendi baguette. The same exact day. I ordered both because it was on sale. Such great prices. I've been wanting the Lulu. I do have the YSL Lulu in the toy size, and I wanted the size small. I haven't used this bag yet, which is my bad, but I'm gonna actually cut the tag off and actually use it, because this is definitely one of like my fall bag. That was one of the reasons why I purchased this bag, because I wanted to use it for fall, because this color is just scream fall and winter time for me. So I'm definitely going to be using this, maybe not next week, but maybe the week after next or something, before, sorry for the shaking, before the end of the year. I'm definitely going to use it, or the beginning of the year, either one. So you have that one right there. Then I also got so this one is my Gucci mini Diana. Is it the mini Diana? Yeah, this is my Gucci Diana in the size mini. I was like, is it mini Diana? I have already used this bag. Proud of me. I do want to get an organizer for it. I think the only place that I've seen had an organizer was Bag and Sense. It used to be called Samoga, but I want to get an organizer for this. This bag is so beautiful. It's so classy. You can wear it casual. You can wear it dress up. It comes with 2 strap. It comes with the jacquard strap, the canvas strap. Then it comes also with the leather strap. I've already worn this. I think this bag is so beautiful. Everything about this bag just screams luxury, and I love everything about this bag and what it stands for. Now let's go. So this is my mini Fendi peekaboo. I picked this up, I think, during my birthday unboxing. I think that's when I picked it up. Yeah. So doing my birthday unboxing, I did pick up this beauty right here. I do have an organizer for it, which I was able to get. I don't know where I got it. I think it was Amazon or something that I picked it up. I love the fact that it has like this acrylic handle. It just makes it so different. I think this bag is so beautiful, and I love everything about the bag. It does come with the feet. The handle is gold, but like the actual Fendi part is silver. So I think this is when they had the interchangeable handle, but I love this bag, and it's not going anywhere. Now let's talk about some of the latest bag in my collection. So this is my, what bag is this? This is my Louis Vuitton Capucine in the size BB birthday bag. Always say that for 2024. Love this bag. Love everything about this bag. Love the silver hardware. Love the metallic silver. I think this bag is just so well made, so well constructed. The leather is chef's kiss. Then the very last bag. Well, I do have another bag that's actually, I purchased it in 2024, but I don't know. I might not do an unboxing of it until 2025. But just know it was purchased in 2024. So I did purchase another bag in 2024, but I'm not going to be unboxing it until 2025 because I haven't received it yet. It had to be ordered, and it's coming all the way from Paris and stuff like that. But this is my Hermes Picotin size 18 gold on gold in the Clemence leather. Love this bag. This is my very first bucket style bag, and come on, you couldn't go wrong by getting your very first bucket style bag from Hermes. Come on, the leather is so supple. The leather is so beautiful. Love everything about this bag. This bag just screamed quiet luxury. Before I got this bag, I really wasn't into bucket style. This is my very first, and probably will only be my only bucket style bag. Love how it's construction. Love the color. Love everything about this bag. So these are all of the bags that I picked up for 2024. Oh, and I did say I was going to do my honorable mention for not luxury, but in my contemporary space. I did pick up, I think, like, was it 2 or 3? So I picked up this beauty right here, this right here, and I think, was it this is the last one, and this right here. So these are the bags that I picked up that are in the contemporary space. So this is my Brandon Blackwood. This is the Kendrick trunk in the slim size. I just unboxed this maybe like a couple of unboxing ago. I think this is so beautiful. I did pick up one for myself and one for my aunt and one for my cousin. I just think it's beautiful. It's well made and it's heavy. It's like substantial. This is, it's real metal, and for the price of what it was such a great price for a well-made trunk. You guys know I love the trunk style. I have several bags that are trunk, from Louis Vuitton all the way to Aspinall of London. My Brandon Blackwood, this is the second trunk that I got from Brandon Blackwood. Love this trunk. I think this is just so well made. So this was one of the contemporary bags that I did pick up for 2024. And then I picked up this beauty right here. So this is my Coach Rogue. This one I did pick up 2. I picked up one that I did as a giveaway for hidden, I think 6,000 or something like that. And then I picked up one for myself. I love this green color. I think it's beautiful. I love the silver. I haven't used it yet because it's more of a summer color. And I picked it up like almost coming to the fall section. So I haven't really unboxed it, like now take the tags and stickers and everything off yet, but I think this is beautiful. The very last bag is this beauty right here. So this one is my dress up your purse slash Michelle, what is it, Melody Cecile. I'm sorry, I said Michelle. Melody Cecile. So this is kind of like a dupe for the Louis Vuitton pochette, the Pochette Matisse in the East West. I just picked this up, and this was such a hype on social media, so I really wanted to see what the hype was about. And trust me, yeah, it's definitely worth the hype. I love the fact how they did like the side right here, so I don't feel like there's going to be any cracking or anything. How they just like layer the leather over it, so it's not a piping, it's more like a leather overlay, and then they sew the leather. I think that is so well made, because that was really the issue with like the other bag, like the Pochette Matisse and stuff like that. The leather wasn't like all the way leather, it was like piping and stuff like that was there, and the glazing, and so it was cracking. But I think this is so well made. This is made with the Togo leather that Hermes used, so it's definitely a great leather, and it's very substantial for it being a mini bag. It's very substantial, and I love it. So these are all of the bags that I did pick up for 2024, I think. From luxury to contemporary, these are what I picked. I didn't pick up a lot of contemporary bags this year because I really was in my luxury kick this year, but these are all of the bags that I did pick up for this year. All right guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.